We're introducing an exciting addition to this channel. By subscribing, you not only get to learn and have fun with mathematics but also have the chance to win cash prizes by solving the end-of-lesson problem or participating in a special quiz. So, don't wait any longer, subscribe, learn, and get ready to win. In this video, we will be discussing the concept of subtracting both negative and positive numbers. Rules for the subtraction of numbers. While you face the number line, all positive numbers fall on the right of 0, and all negative numbers fall on the left of 0 of the number line. Subtract two numbers when one is positive and the other is negative, but only if they are not separated by the multiplication or division operations. The difference is a negative number when you have a bigger number to the left of 0 than to its right. The difference is a positive number when you have a bigger number to the right of 0 than to its left. The difference is 0 when you have the number to the left equal to the number right of 0. Example 1. Subtract two numbers when one is positive and the other is negative. Now let's do the following subtraction. 6 minus 4 is equal to plus 2 because 6 is a bigger number to the right of 0. Minus 6 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 because 6 is a bigger number to the left of 0. Minus 17 plus 57 is equal to plus 40 because 57 is a bigger number to the right of 0. Minus 57 plus 17 is equal to minus 40 because 57 is a bigger number to. Example 2. If a number has multiple plus or minus signs, simplify the signs before performing the subtraction with the numbers. Minus 5. Minus 1. First, we simplify minus 1, and that is plus 1. Therefore, minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Let's consider this example 2, minus 12, minus plus 4. Therefore minus 12 is plus 12. Minus plus 4 is minus 4. Hence, plus 12 minus 4 is equal to plus 8. Example 3. Add all positive numbers together, and add all negative numbers together before subtraction. This is one of the rules of BODMAS. Let's consider the following examples. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 3 plus 7. Adding the negative numbers first, we have minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 8. And plus 1 plus 7 is equal to plus 8. Therefore, minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. The following looks a bit complicated but it's easy to solve when we follow the rules. So minus 6 minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 4 plus 5 times minus 1 to the power of 21. The rule says, first simplify the numbers with multiple signs. Hence, minus 6 is equal to plus 6. Minus 1 to power 3 is equal to plus 1. Plus 5 times minus 1 to power 21 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, plus 6 plus 1 is equal to plus 7. Minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Finally, plus 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. The first video on this channel is a prerequisite to this topic and the upcoming ones. Watch the first video to grasp the concept of how to simplify negative and positive signs. Subscribe to this channel to learn more of the fundamentals of mathematics.